Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Samira and my partner is Ira. We are developing a system for our final year project. Let me introduce you to our system. So basically this is our poster. Let me go through into details. First, we are a UIA Chemist, which is a web-based application system. We provide one, quality medicine and health supplement to the user's doorstep. Second, booking appointment feature at the IIUM Health Clinic Center. And third, emergency contact services to the nearby hospital in order to ensure reliable and secure delivery medicine with a well-designed and user-friendly interface. So the reason why we are developing this system is because the nearest pharmacies from IIUM Gombak are around 2.4 kilometers away. Therefore, students with no vehicles will face difficulties in order to go to the pharmacies. And also, in terms of booking appointment, students have to wait in a long queue at IIUM Health Clinic Center in order to consult with the doctor, which results in missing classes and other important activities. The project objective of our system is to ensure a legal and secure delivery of medicine to IIUM students, helping our brothers and sisters, especially those with a frequent need to the pharmacist. Meantime, the MCO, everyone needs essential medicine like the Panadol, mask, and anything product that can be found at the pharmacies, and also providing neutral supplement in order to improve the overall health of the students. Our methodology is agile, and this is the use case diagram. Next, the system adaptation. We are adapting our system from these three websites, NetMed, Practo, and ESYMS. So the software tools are PyCharm and iCharm. The backend language is Python and with the framework Django. The reason why we are using Python is because it's high-level language and have an easy syntax in terms of coding and implementation, and Django because it has its own administration theme and database system, and also it's one of the compatible framework to Python. This is our system interface. This is the system interface. Era will go through in details to explain the actual website.
Assalamu alaikum, this is Hanira and I will be explaining about the system, its functionalities and how we'll be providing services to our customers. So basically this is our system where user can register here by filling up the registration form with all the personal information. If user already has an account, he or she can go to the login page to directly sign in. As our system is targeted to the active students of UIA, user need to register to the system with the email address provided by IIUM. If user puts any other email address rather than that, it will show an alert to put the correct email format. For logical implementation, we have used JavaScript so that it can detect the actual format needed for metric number, email, password, and phone number. For example, if I put my metric number 8 digits instead of 7, it will show an alert of invalid input. So if I correct it and click Submit, it will send a verification code to my IIUM email address, which is 1717. Once I put the code, it will navigate me to the login page, where I need to sign in with my email and password. Once logged into the system, user will be able to see all their information along with their previous order history and appointment history. Users are also able to edit their profile if necessary. So here, if I change my phone number and upload a profile image, My profile will be updated immediately. In the system, users are also able to see what is our system all about, how it works, and will be able to contact us for any kind of inquiries. The inquiries will directly go to the UIA Chemist email address for us to respond. In order to buy medicines, user can go to online pharmacy page where we have list of products for the users to buy. For example, exclusive promotions, COVID-19 essentials, medicines, and first aid. If user wish to buy a product from COVID-19 category, for example the face mask, he or she can see the product details, the brand name, promotions given, product ratings and reviews if provided. So if user wants to buy this product, can simply click on buy now or add to cart. So if I add this to my cart and go to the cart option, I can see that my product has been added. Users can also add or reduce quantity from here and the total amount will be calculated accordingly, including the delivery fee, which is 5 ringgit. So if I proceed to checkout and do the payment, user will get a success notification along with a message that their product will be delivered within 20 to 30 minutes once confirmed, and for any query they can contact us to the numbers mentioned here. Order history will be recorded here, which can also be found in the user dashboard, and the admin is authorized to change the order status accordingly. So if we go to the admin side and change the status to shipping and save, here we can see that the status has been updated immediately. Users are also able to see the details of their products once purchased and give it a review and rating. So if we go to the product page, we can see that the review and rating has been added. In order to book an appointment to our very own IIUM Health and Wellness Center, users need to fill up the form with all the information. and then click Submit. The appointment request will be recorded here in IHWC appointments, which can also be found in user dashboard. The appointment request will mainly be submitted to the email address of IIUM clinic, but for testing purpose, I'm sending this to my IIUM email address, where we can see that we have received the appointment request with all the information provided by the user. Once the health center approves or rejects the appointment, user will be able to see notification to the same email address, and the status will be updated to the user dashboard immediately by the admin. So if I change the status to confirmed and go to the user dashboard, so here we can see that the appointment status has been updated. We also have the emergency service for the students to contact their preferred hospitals nearby for any kind of emergency and ambulance services, including our very own IIUM Health Center. The buttons here will directly make a call to the respective hospital's emergency service to get help anytime, as they are open 24/7. If we want to make the call in real, we need to use some kind of plugins or services which requires payment. At this point, we cannot afford any paid option. This is why we made a message box to show the users that it is making the call to the requested service. So this was the overall review of our system. Thank you so much for watching. Assalamu alaikum.